In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Base44 code for free using a simple manual method. If you're working inside Base44 and need to get your code out quickly, this is the easiest way to do it without paying for anything extra. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, go to your Base44 project dashboard. This is where all of your projects are listed, so make sure you open the correct one before moving forward. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the project you want to export code from, and open it. Next, click on the Code option. This is the section where Base44 shows you the generated code for your project. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you may see different files or code blocks available here, but the important thing is to go into the code view so you can access everything you need. Now that the code is open, the next step is to copy the code manually. Since this method is free, you're not using any special export tool or paid feature. Instead, just highlight the code you need, copy it carefully, and make sure you get the full text without missing any lines. If there are multiple sections, repeat the process for each part you want to move. After that, paste the code wherever you want to use it. This could be your local project, another editor, or any platform where you want to work with the Base44 output. Just paste it into the right file or workspace, and you're done. That's really all there is to it. Go to the project dashboard, click Code, copy the code manually, and paste it where you want. It's a simple free workaround that lets you export your Base44 code without overcomplicating the process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more short and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.